Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn two ways to create web forms that sends data directly to an Excel spreadsheet using Microsoft Excel 365. In this tutorial, we'll be using Microsoft Forms to create a customer feedback survey. Our goal is to gather responses online and have them automatically show up in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. In first method, we will create a web form in Microsoft Forms and link it to Excel for automatic data updates. To get started, first let's create the form. In a browser of your choice, click on the search bar, type this link, and press enter. This will navigate you to the site. Important note: before you start, make sure to sign in with your Microsoft 365 account so the forms and responses are saved and can be linked to Excel. After signing in, Microsoft official form platform will open, which connects directly with Excel. On the Microsoft Forms homepage, click the New Form button, the plus button. You can build your form with any questions you want, but for this tutorial, we will use a quick method by clicking the lightning icon. The recommended questions appear. From the list of the recommended questions, select the questions you prefer. I'll select the first 3 questions. Then click on Add Selected. The form is now created. Now that the form is built, let's share it with others. Click on the Collect Responses at the top. This opens a new pop-up window. This is where we get the link to share the form. Here, by clicking the Shorten URL checkbox, we can shorten the URL. And by clicking the Copy Link, we can copy the link. But for this tutorial, I'll try something different. Just below the link, there is a QR code option. I'll scan the QR code from my phone and complete the survey. I have submitted the form. Now let's see if I got any responses. At the top right, click on the X button to close the window, and click on View Responses. This shows us a summary of all collected responses. Finally, on the right hand side, under Insights and Actions, select the drop-down. Here we have two options. The first option is to open the results in Excel desktop, and the second option is to download a copy. I'll go for the first option. A pop-up appears on the browser asking if I want to open the Excel in my desktop. Press Open Excel. This creates a new workbook containing all the form responses. And there you have it. We now have a fully functional Excel workbook that's connected to our web form. Let's check out the second method. In the second method, we will create and manage a form directly within Excel using the built-in Forms feature. Here's how to do it. First, click on New Blank Workbook. This opens up a new workbook. At the very top, head to the Quick Access toolbar and turn on Autosave, as this is important to create the form. In the new pop-up window that appears, select your account, choose a name for your workbook. I'll set it to Customer Feedback, and click OK. Now head to the Insert tab. In the Tables section, click on Forms button. In the drop-down, select New Form. This launches the form editor in a new browser window. Finally, in the form editor that opens here, you can build your form exactly like we did in the first method. And that's a wrap. 2 effective ways to create web forms that automatically populate Excel spreadsheets. One through the Forms website and another directly within Excel. Download the workbook link below to see a sample of how the collected data appears. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.